Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So here we have another critical reasoning question. So if you see that the direction for question is what? Answer the following questions based on the information provided below. So let's go to this particular paragraph or the passage. So what does it say? A new policy was implemented in the local education system that allowed high school students to complete college level courses for credit. The policy aimed to better prepare students for college by exposing them to more rigorous academic material. It was expected that students who completed these courses that would perform better in their first year of college compared to those who did not, right? However, there is a contrast. After several years of the policy being in effect, data showed no significant difference in the first year college performance between students who completed college level courses in high school and those who did not, right? So, if you see that what it is stated about what a new policy, isn't it? That allowed high school students to take college level courses for a credit to better prepare them for college. So the expectation was what? The expectation was that these students would perform better in their first year of college, right? However, means the data showed no significant differences in performance between students who took these courses and those who did not. So what we supposed to do, or what we find out here, we find out there is a kind of a discrepancy. So if we see that the question stated which of the following, if true, that best, so look at the word best also, it means some options are there which also explain the discrepancy, but we need to find out the best one to explain the discrepancy outlined above, right? Now in that case, um, why is there no significant difference in first year college performance despite the expectation that students who took college level courses in high school would perform better, right? Let's look at the each option and try to analyze. The first option stated that the college level courses offered in high school were as challenging as the actual college courses. So, what is that claim? The claim is called as the college level courses in high school were as challenging as actual college courses, isn't it? So, as challenging as the actual college courses. So, in that case, this option suggests that the high school courses match the difficulty level of college courses, right? However, if the courses were equally challenging, it should have what helped students perform better in college. Therefore, you can say that it doesn't um, explain why there was no performance difference, isn't it? So in that case, A is not right. So it is nothing but an incorrect one. So this does not resolve the discrepancy because it does not explain the lack of improved performance, isn't it? So for those who took the supposedly challenging courses. Now look at the option B. Many students who completed college level courses in high school did not attend college immediately after graduation. Now, many students who completed college level courses in high school did not attend college immediately after graduation. So we can say that what mm, this introduces nothing but a factor, right? A factor of what? Factor not related to academic preparation. It suggests that what a delay in attending college should could affect performance, but it doesn't address the performance of students who did attend college immediately after graduation. So in that case, if you talk about that, it fails to explain the performance difference for those who went directly to college after high school. So hence we can say option B is also incorrect. Now, if I look at the next one, option C, it stated the students who took college level courses in high school often did not take the most challenging courses available to them. Now, This suggests that the student did not take the most difficult courses, which might imply a lower impact on their, you can say, performance, right? However, even less challenging college level courses should have some positive impact, isn't it? Now, in that case, uh, if I say um, this option also doesn't fully explain why there was no significant performance difference overall, right? Now, let's look at the option D. Colleges adjusted their first year curriculum to account for the increased rigor of students' high school education, right? So, here when we talk about um, college adjusted their first year curriculum to account for the increased rigor of students' high school education. So, it explains that colleges raised the difficulty, isn't it? Colleges adjusted their first year curriculum to account for the increased rigor of students' high school education. So, in that case, we can say it explains that colleges raised the difficulty of their first year courses to match the preparation level of students who took college level courses in high school, right? As a result, you can say that what is the result? So you can say that as a result, um, you can say that both groups, those who took college level courses in high school and those who did not, so they faced nothing but a equally challenging, isn't it? Equally challenging, you can say that equally challenging material, and that results no significant difference in performance. So if you see that what option D makes the sense here, right? So, and that's why we can consider it is the correct one because it explains or it best explains for the discrepancy because it shows that the expected advantage, right, of taking college level courses was nullified by the colleges adjusting their own curriculum, own curriculum. So in that case, we can say option D is the correct one. Let's look at the option E. The option E stated that the grading standards in the college level courses offered in high school were more lenient than those in actual college courses. So if I see this particular one, the the option E suggests that what students might have received what higher grades, higher grades um, in high school due to lenient grading, isn't it? Which is clearly stated that the grading standard in the college level courses offered in high school were more lenient than those in actual college courses. So, but it does not explain why these students did not perform better in college when faced with the stricter grading, isn't it? So, in that case, we can say that option E also doesn't explain why the performance in college would not differ between the two groups, right? So, in that case, if we talk about the option E, which is incorrect here. So option A, B, C, and E are incorrect. So option D that explains or will be considered correct because college adjusted their first curriculum to accent for the increased rigor of students' high school education. It provides nothing but a what? A clear and direct region. Clear and direct region for the observed discrepancy. So, what is that? Colleges change their curriculum to maintain the level of challenge for all students, regardless of their high school preparation. And this adjustment means that the advantage of having completed college level courses in high school was nothing but a, you can say, neutralized, leading to no significant difference in first year college performance. I hope you understood this. So hence we can consider option D would be the most appropriate means option that follows the or that explains the discrepancy outlined above. Okay. So hence the answer should be option D. Hope you are clear. That's all. Thank you.